Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add subtitles to a video in Clipchamp. First of all, open the Clipchamp app in your PC or laptop and make sure it is updated to latest version available. Inside Clipchamp, there are various features to utilize like adding subtitles. In order to add subtitles, there are two methods you can follow. The first method is to add your own subtitles manually. For that, click on this text option at the left side of your screen and select any style you want to add. Once you have selected it, simply drag and drop that style to your timeline. Now, adjust your text layout according to your needs. Then add text like, "Hello" and "How do you do?" Now play your video and you can see that the subtitles are being displayed. The second method is to add your voice over and then turn on the auto captions. So just add your voice over. Now click on captions at the top right of your screen and then select turn on auto captions. A new pop-up will appear on your screen. Here, select your language that will be used throughout your project. Then click on confirm settings and you are done. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.